Hello friends, welcome to my channel Smart and Fashion. So friends, how are you all? I hope so all of you are well and fine and enjoying my videos. In today's video, I'm gonna share with you a very beautiful handmade fashion accessory. As you can see, these are crochet, hair catch and headband collection which are very beautiful and lovely. You can see several kind of crochet patterns in this collection. You can see crochet flowers, mini flowers as well as rolling flower or giant size crochet flowers with beads and pearls to decorate them. You can also see this kind of puff stitch flower, simple rolling flower, or you can also see this kind of popcorn stitch pattern which are very beautiful and lovely. So to see all of the designing ideas, please watch the video till then. As you can see, this collection includes several kind of handbags which you can use for baby girls, even young girls, as and even for women. So these are very beautiful and lovely ideas which are quite useful for several age groups. So you can try them for your baby girls as well as you can also try them for yourself. And these are very beautiful and lovely designs and their patterns are simple too. So if you know crochet work, you can try them by yourself at home, and if you don't know crochet work, you can also purchase them online from Etsy, Amazon, eBay, crochet websites, or even from any crochet work expert. If you want to try them by yourself at home, it would be lovely idea. You can use cotton yarn or even acrylic yarn. Some of the designing ideas can be made with the help of embroidery yarn as well. So please try them if you like them. If you want to try them by yourself at home, please take the screenshot of the design which you like the most and you want to try. And if you need help for the pattern, several kind of crochet flowers tutorial are available in my channel. You can simply make any kind of crochet flower which you like and you can paste them on your hair catch, as you can see in most of the designing ideas, and you can simply try them by yourself at home within less amount of time. You can make a very beautiful and stunning hair accessory. So must try them. And if you try some of the designing ideas from this collection, please let me know in the comment section about your experience too. Like, share and subscribe. Bye.